So now let's see how we can utilize the GIMPressionist effect inside of GIMP. So to apply that, you need to go around onto the filters menu, and then what you need to do is you need to go around over here onto artistic, and over here you can see that GIMPressionist is an option. So once you go around onto GIMPressionist right here, then you can see that there's many different options right here. Like now you can choose different sort of papers right here, as you can see, like smash, like straws, as you can see like here, or weave right here. There's some presets. You can go around over here and apply right here just like this, and then you can, let's say for example, update, and you get a sample of how the output will look around over here. Let's go for ring works, and then you can see that this is how it actually works. Let's go for dotify and update, and that is how it works, as you can see right here. If I were to go around onto paper, you can select different types of paper right here, and you can go around and update it out, and there's different sort of brush you can select orientations and so forth. Once you're happy with the effect, simply go around and press OK, and what happens is that it'll apply out the effect right there, just like this. So you can see that this is how this will actually go around and utilize the effect right here, and then you'll get this kind of an effect. Like you can go around and get the press effect right here, and this is what you have. So that is how you can utilize the GIMPressionist effect inside of GIMP. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.